Hello, welcome to Lifeline with Comfort. I'm so happy and excited to bring this very short video to you wherever you are. It has been a wonderful time, a wonderful year, speaking positively, but we are grateful to God that we are still here. Lifeline with Comfort is a program designed to equip, empower, inspire, and motivate you to awaken the giant within you.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Comfort Adejoh. This channel is designed to equip, inspire, empower, and motivate you to awaken the giant within you. You will be propelled in 3 key areas: in your faith, family, and finance. Lifeline with Comfort. Awaken the giant within you.
There's something about you that would gain expression if you keep eating the right thing from the word, eating the right thing from books, eating the right things from listening to podcasts and broadcasts like this that will shape you and push you to move to the next level of your life. I am excited and I know that this broadcast will bless you. If it does, or if this is your first time of joining, I would like to tell you that I'll be most grateful if you can subscribe and click the notification button so that you can know when I post the next video. These videos are usually prepared, prayerfully prepared to bless you. And I know as you do that, God will bless you. I'm excited because our topic today is MAP, M-A-P. Your life for productivity. So the M is in capital letter, the A and then the P. The M stands for make a plan, the A stands for act on the plan, and the P stands for pray on the plan. May I define quickly, what does plan mean? It's a detailed proposal for achieving something. That is what a plan is. A proposal, detailed proposal for achieving something. It's possible to want to get married, but you need to plan before your wedding day. It's possible to want to enjoy a blissful home, but you need to plan before you get into the marriage. It's possible you want to be a billionaire, a millionaire, come on, but you must start every of those desires with a proper plan. There was a wise man that I love so much, said plan your walk and walk your plan. That's Napoleon Hill. He said when you plan your walk, you can walk your plan, not the other way around. Some people get into work before they realize that they need to take time to plan. If you plan properly, you will not fail on your journey most of the time. Again, I was reading something by someone. He said planning is bringing the future into the present so that you can do something about your now. It all starts where you are. My father in the Lord, Archbishop Salomon, used to say something. He says, start with what you have, start where you are, and start now. This has everything to do with planning. You must make your plan and make them clear enough that even you can run with it. The book of Habakkuk said something about visions and plans. Make your vision plain. Understand the plan. Make everything, write it down. Let it be a proposal you're making, even first to yourself. Because before you can pitch your plan to someone else, you must understand it, you must believe it, and you must be able to run with it. The second thing is act on your plan. Act on your plan. There's a quote I read from Richard Crucian that inspired me a lot. He said, always plan ahead. It wasn't raining when Noah started building the ark. You don't have to wait for everything to happen the way you want it. You can plan your way through it. Noah heard from God that there was going to be rain. He didn't see the cloud gather. He didn't see anything that made it look like it was going to be true. But Noah sat down and acted on what he heard from God. What has God promised you? You have made the plan, but are you acting on the plan? It's not enough to have lofty plans. You must act on every plan you have. There's somebody I love so much also. His name is Joseph. Joseph had a systematic way of approaching the famine that was ahead. we're going into a season where a lot of countries don't know what is going to happen. A lot of people don't. But you can sit down at this time and not just make a plan, but act on your plan. What is that business proposal or business idea that you've always had in your mind? Make it a plan. Act on it. What did you plan to further your education? What have you planned this season? Sit on those plans and then act on it. The third thing is pray on your plan. This is MAP, M-A-P, so you don't forget. But P is pray on your plans. May I show you a scripture that I love so much in the book of Proverbs chapter 16 verse 3. The Bible says, commit thy works, thy plans unto the Lord, and thy thoughts shall be established. You must pray on every plan you have. You must pray on it. Be strategic about the prayer. You ask the Lord, this is my plan. Is it within your will? How can I make this come to pass? Who are the people I need? Who are the helpers I need? Who are the right people that that'll come together? No matter what God sent Moses to do, without Aaron, he wouldn't have achieved what God has asked him to do. You need to ask the Lord, commit it to the Lord, and he will bless everything that concerns you. The Lord bless you mightily and make his face to shine upon you. Please don't forget, map your life for productivity, M-A-P. If you want to move from the point of storytelling to the point of productivity, you must make your plan, you must act on your plan, and the third thing is pray on your plan. Thank you for joining me today. God bless you. I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.